Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf from TechDroids and welcome back to another fun video. Today I've got another cool product to showcase to you guys. This is going to be the Hike speaker by Tag. So Technology and Gadgets India have sent me their new speaker, which is called Hike, and it has some cool features, but let's first just individually, review one speaker. So let's say you just get one of these speakers. The unboxing experience is going to be, basic. So you're getting all your accessories, user manual, so one USB to micro USB port cable for charging, aux cable if you want to connect it wired, but it does have Bluetooth capability. And yes, that's basically it in terms of your box contents. Now getting to the speakers itself, it is quite hefty because it has a lot of cool features inside it, and the sound also is pretty big. So let's just take a quick overview of the speaker. So on the top you have a handle to carry it, and the design itself in my opinion is really nice. It's very rugged. It's a soft touch kind of design, feels like rubber but it is plastic, and it's very really well built. It's solid, there's no creaking, and I think it could take a drop. Towards the bottom you have two rubber feet for it to prevent from sliding and just shifting around on whatever surface it is. And there's 4 buttons on the top, so your play pause, your mode shift button, and also your forward and backward button. But also if you can short press the forward and backward button, that'll change up your song, but if you long press it, that'll change your volume. So increasing and decreasing volume is also pretty easy. And towards the back you have your power on and off switch, a LED light indicator, a micro SD card slot so you can play music via that as well, a USB port, so that's an input option for you, so you can connect up your thumb drive or your flash drive and you can play music via that as well. And apart from that, you have your micro USB port, and that's pretty much it. So those are your ports, and it's a pretty basic design for your Bluetooth speaker. And talking about the technical specifications of the speaker, so one speaker on its own has a total output of 10 watts, so 2 5-watt drivers, and also a 1200 mAh battery. And let's say you pair these two together, and then you get a total output of 20 watts. So that's going to get pretty loud, and let's say you're playing it on max volume, everyone's going to hear it, and you might even disturb your neighbors, so be careful on that. But apart from that, the 1200 mAh battery in my opinion is also a pretty good spec. It lasts a decent time, and they claim 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, and that's a pretty accurate statement in my opinion. In my testing, it lasted 4 hours, and I'm using it from anywhere from 50% to 80% volume, so that's that. Talking about sound quality itself, it's really nice. There's a lot of bass inside this, and the highs and the mids are pretty good. Maybe a little, inferior on the low frequencies, but apart from that, overall the sound for a Bluetooth speaker is pretty decent. And I feel like this is going to be really nice for outdoor usage. You can definitely use it indoor, but again, it's as it is, really rugged. Maybe you can take this on the beach or the pool, or you're going camping, you're just going out and you want to enjoy some music. This is going to be, the kind of speaker you want to buy. And it is pretty big and heavy, as I said. Now this cool feature that it has called Tws Connection, so truly wireless connection, that's their naming. But let's say you got one speaker and then another one of your friend has another Hike speaker, or you just bought 2 because it is pretty affordable at the end of the day. Then you can pair these two together. So if you had one speaker, you would just have your phone and you would connect it to Bluetooth. So turn on Bluetooth on your phone, turn the speaker on, and basically it'll give you this tone once you do turn it on. So I'll just show it to you guys. So let's say you flick the power switch.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So then you can just open Bluetooth on your phone and you'll find the speaker and you connect it. Now let's say you want the TWS connection. You have to connect these two speakers together and then you can pair it with your phone. So the way you do that is you turn on both the speakers and you just hold the M buttons. You just press and hold the M button on the speaker, and then these two will be connected. So let me just give you guys a demo. I'm gonna turn on the second speaker as well.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So once both these speakers are on, you just hold the M button on both of them and that should connect these two together. And now you just have to find one speaker here which is going to show up, and you connect to it and you play your music and it's going to be synchronized between these two speakers. Now talking about the TWS feature itself, it is pretty good in my opinion. Let's say you have two speakers at a distance, you're going to get really nice stereo effect and it gets pretty loud when both of these speakers are cranked up to max volume. And also your volume gets connected, your songs gets connected. So if you increase the volume on one, you also increase the volume on the second, so they both get connected. There's absolutely no latency also in my opinion. There was very little to no latency. I didn't notice any. The song played equally on both speakers, and it's pretty good in my opinion. They do a really good job. And apart from that, all the basic features are there, so you can take calls and end calls on this speaker as well. And that's that. So the TWS connection in my opinion is the highlight feature here. You can connect both these speakers together, have them at a distance, and that could be pretty helpful for gaming as well. Let's say you're playing PUBG or some sort of game with your friend, or you're watching a movie, you're playing music together, maybe it's a party or something. Let's say you're playing game together, it will play on both these speakers at a pretty high volume, so you can enjoy the big sound and also have fun with your friends. So that's that. And you can find a lot of use cases for connecting these two together, getting more output, keeping these two far apart and still getting the same kind of sound. Let's say you and your friend want to listen to the same song but you're in different rooms, that can be possible as well. And it is normal Bluetooth, so you have a connection range up to 10 meters. So that's pretty accurate as well. And for the pricing, it is pretty affordable. I'll leave links down below for you guys to check this out and you can order it and buy it for yourself. And yeah, in my opinion, it's a really good value for money product, and the performance also is pretty good, and I totally recommend it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and smash the like button, as well as let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think about these speakers, and how would you use the TWS connection feature? How would you pair these two together, and what would you do on that? And yeah, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about the video itself? Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. My name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome. Keep smiling. And peace out.
And we've been working hard, so if you hating hard, it's a loss, you can fall back. Yeah, I swear I'm in my zone. The top is where I'm going, when I'm there, I'm wanting all that. Yeah, and I just want it all, and I just want it all, and I just want all that. Yeah.